It's me, Kinghuman. I just is testing out this here GoPro Hero 9. To see what the footage looks like. So this is in my office. So very little natural light. I got some lights there up on the ceiling, that there newfangled electric light. And that's about it. So that's what's doing. I'm gonna show you some video of this here camera. This ain't gonna be no technical whiz-bang college boy review. If you want that, you better go somewhere else.
So yeah, here's what's doing. The mods haven't come out. Well, they weren't available when I looked a couple of days ago. But anyway, I'm showing you my iPad. How is that looking? I mean, for action cam situation. But anyway, this is the mod for the microphone, and it comes with a windscreen. I have yet to get that. It wasn't in stock. Today it's in stock, so I can order it. Okay, cool. Here's my bigger computer, right? Here's my regular computer. Oh, there's my YouTube button, my silver button for 100,000 subscribers. But look how old it is. If you go look at what the new buttons look like, they're totally different than that. So I've got one of the old original ones. I don't know, is that a collector item? Who knows? Okay, let's go outside and see what the hell this thing does. My dirty, disgusting car cobwebs. Oh, it's horrible. So here's what's doing. My car is filthy because I haven't used it in a long time, and it's covered with ash from the fires. We've had a lot of fires around here, so I don't even know. Let's see if it'll even start. Boom, first shot. Nice. So okay, I have to agree to the, before I can even go anywhere, I have to agree to all these conditions on the screen. All right, stupid. This is stupid, but I'm showing you the different conditions, right? In the sun, out of the sun, you're gonna see all of it. And you're gonna hear, well, let me turn off the radio. You're gonna hear what it sounds like raw, unmiked. Again, not a technical review, just a user. Now, one thing that was weird, I'm gonna move the camera back a little bit so see what that's like. One thing that was really weird was when I was shooting earlier, the camera just cut off by itself, on its own. I don't know why. What do I know? All right, let me go for a drive, see what I can find. Okay, so I just tried something. I just tried the quick start shoot where I just hit the record button and it came on, which is pretty cool. So it's a nice day out, nice blue sky. I haven't been outside in a million years. Why? Because of this whole corona thing. I'm just creeped out by the whole thing because I'm just being hyper careful about it. So I am sheltering in place because I had the swine flu and I thought I was gonna die. I wanted to die, I was ready to die. I just figured they were gonna find my body in a couple of weeks and I would be just a pile of goo in bed. I couldn't move, I couldn't get out of bed. It was the freakiest thing. Anyway, vlogging in the car. So, what do you think of this picture? What do you think of the sound? I know it's a little echoey because of the car, And we're hearing some cars go by. So how does that sound? Here comes a bus. Let's see if there's a lot of sound that bus creates. And when I get the mod, which will be in a couple of days, I'll do another recording and you guys can hear the difference. And again, it's not going to be one of these techno geeky guy reviews. It's just going to be me, a user, just like you would be, using the camera. Okay, time to go. Okay, quick test. How quick I can launch the application and start shooting videos. I just hit the button once. I don't have to start the power. I don't have to use the power on button, which is cool. And then when I'm done, I just hit the shutter again and it powers off, which I did not know that was a feature. That's how smart I am about this camera. I'm looking at myself on the front facing screen and I have no idea how wide this shot is. So anyway, I'm at a stoplight. I'm gonna shut off because the light's gonna change in a minute. And I'll go to Trader Joe's. Yee. Okay, I just parked and good. The line for Trader Joe's doesn't look that bad right now. So wahoo! Still in the car, sunroof closed, so less light. How does it look? Again, I'm not gonna know until I get into the editor. I think I'm gonna edit this with my Sony Vegas. I forget what version. And I have no idea how this is gonna come out. So, but I'm not gonna use any coloration. I'm not gonna do any color correction, any filters, nothing. It's just gonna be as it comes from the camera. So now I'm gonna step outside, barf, and I'm gonna shoot in daylight. And you'll be able to see that. I gotta get my mask and wear that because it's required. And look, I'm just joking. Look, I'm a real proponent of wearing your mask. Wear your mask, people. I don't care what your political point of view is. It's a courtesy to other people. So shut up, idiots. I can't stand idiots. Okay, I don't want to get on a political thing, but I'm about to. I'm about to go mental. Okay. I'm gonna go into Trader Joe's. I'm even gonna, you know what? The other thing I'll do is I'll even take a still picture outside. One inside and one outside, because I haven't tried that. Let's do that now. I don't know, man. It's doing weird stuff. So, okay, I took it off of my camera grip mount and I'm just hand holding it right now. So let me try this because I might be messing up the microphone. So this is solid daylight. Again, no idea. I won't know until I get into the editing on what this looks like. I'm looking at the tiny little screen. At least it's something. At least it's a point of reference that you can frame yourself with. So I know I'm backlit. Let me turn around like this. And now that sun is in my face. So how's that look? I'm sure it looks better. Walking backwards, I'm gonna fall on my ass because I'm in flip-flops. So, all right, let me get in line here. And before I forget, I'll take a still image. Well, that was cool. The guy from Trader Joe's came up and gave me a free water. So, all right, I guess I gotta get in line, try and get my groceries before I go on this radical diet. Oh my God, that's gonna be torture. Okay, we'll take a little drive through Capitola, see what's doing. Give you a little footage that way. I'm gonna stick the camera up through the skylight, sunroof, whatever. Okay, let's go. Hang on. all you're gonna get. Don't bug me, don't haunt me, I'm cuffed. That's the most action you're gonna get out of me these days. No surfing, no skydiving, no big adventures. Just me going to get Trader Joe's. You get what you pay for. You paid nothing to watch this video, so shut up. All right, I'm out. Go away, goodbye. Donate a few bucks to help a sick kid at St. Jude's Research Hospital for Kids. Go away.